Hey, Debbie, how's it going?
Good. How are you?
Doing good. So, Debbie, tell us your title so we know it as what it is that you do here.
Sure. I am search supervisor at underscore marketing.
Awesome. And you're talking with us today because I think you said maybe a month and a half ago, Google made some announcements that are going to impact paid search, right?
Correct. So towards the end of April, Google announced that all advertisers would have to go through a verification process. So this process isn't new. It's just that now all advertisers will have to go through the process. In the beginning, just a lot of political advertisers and maybe online pharmacies that had to go through the verification process.
Got it. So not everybody had to do verification before, only certain groups, but now everybody has to do it.
Correct.
Okay, got it. And what will that change as far as the actual on-page ad? Will it change how it's displayed at all? How does that
The
work?
actual ad won't change. What will change is one click away from the ad, when you click on that down caret, is a feature called Why This Advertiser. So now the domain is listed in this feature, but now what will happen is that it'll change to the parent company.
Interesting. So there's I guess then for the searcher, there's a little more transparency as to who is actually running the ad versus just some random website. It's who owns the company running that advertisement.
Exactly. So the goal
Got it.
is really to provide greater transparency so they can find out who the advertiser is before they click on to the ad.
Cool. So what then is the concern, I guess, for advertisers that we work with who are running paid search? What do they need to do to be prepared?
Sure. So for the majority of our advertisers, this really will not impact them. Really, this update will really just impact our pharmaceutical advertisers who are running unbranded ads.
Hmm.
And the reason is when we're serving an unbranded ads, typically these ads have claims in them. We're talking about the indication. We're talking about, maybe the results that we may achieve from the treatment. And with that advertiser company name being one click away, what we worry about is that now a searcher may be able to infer the brand by connecting the
I
ingredient
see.
with the parent company.
Got it. So I'm searching for some information about a condition. I see a paid search ad. It has a claim of some sort. I click through this thing and I'm able to find the parent company, and now I can link the drug and the claim up, and that, I guess, there are potential legal issues on that front.
Exactly. So FDA guidance says that we can't make a claim about a drug unless we have unless it's fair and balanced and includes safety information. So
Uh,
because of the limitations with the characters, we're just not able to include safety information within the ads.
Got it. So then, for pharma companies that are running unbranded advertisement, what is our recommendation for them to do?
As far as our recommendations, the brands that we've worked with, a lot of the regulatory teams have been comfortable with the update. Of course, we default to your corporate regulatory and legal teams to understand the impact and see if they're comfortable with the update.
Gotcha. So really, it's if you're running unbranded or you're planning on running unbranded, then you need to take this change and the implications to the med legal team and say, guys, look, please understand what's going on here. Are we okay with the potential liabilities? Because there may not be any, I guess, is what we're saying.
Yes,
Got it.
yes. And
Okay.
we're happy to, of course, help with that conversation as well.
Okay, good. So we have the resources necessary to help there.
Yes.
Awesome. And so when do we expect this will come to fruition?
Sure. So Google said summer 2020. So
Okay.
to us, this
Which
could
is here.
be,
It's right
yeah,
now.
it's here.
Yeah.
So it could be tomorrow, today, 2 weeks from now. But we do anticipate that the actual rollout of the ad format will probably happen later this summer. And then as far as the verification process where we submit our business documents, we'll have 30 days. So we'll have some time to
Okay.
find out. Yeah.
Okay, good. Well, great. Debbie, thank you. We'll reach back out to you if any other changes happen, which I'm sure they will.
Of course. Thank
All
you.
righty. Thank you.
Thanks for watching Underscore's Media Mixology Quick Sips. Quick Sips is designed to keep you up to date on all the latest industry news so that you never miss a beat. If you want to read our full POV on this change to paid search, click the link below. And as always, we'd love to hear from you. Comment or give us a call.